Guys, I got something new today. That's right, Runcam 2. Got it from motionrc.com. It's the Runcam 2 4K version. Thought I would just use the extra video quality when I really wanted to or needed to. And it also required a bigger SD card, so I haven't ordered the SD card yet. And I'm going to, but just haven't yet. So first thing out of the box, you see this is on top, and it says to contact them if you have any issues with it, and the user manual download. So the manual, so here it is right here. Wow, this is nice. Oh, look at this, guys. Very nice. Pretty sweet. So it came like this. I'll put it back. This is how it came. So it came pretty much exactly like this. And took this off. Camera's right there. Set it down nicely. Pull this piece out. It's got all the wires in it, charging cords and whatever else. So, oh boy, look at this. Alright, so we got the cover and some other stuff. I'll have to find out what it is. And a nice plug right here. I think this is for FPV, I'm not sure, but I might do that sometime. And then here seems to be the charger cable right here. And let's see what else we got. I don't think anything else. Yeah, no. Nothing else there. Nothing else there. Nothing else in the box. No. Alright. Take a look again in the box. That's just. So this is what you get. This is all that you get right here. Swallowed. Spit. Blah. So here's the camera right here. It's got the cover on it, on the camera part. So if I slide this over, I think the SD card is gonna be where that goes, right in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this down again. I lost my nice little stand I had for videos like this, which stinks. Okay, oh, so that's where that goes. So yeah, SD card goes there. So this is as far as it goes off, it looks like. I'll stick that SD card in there, and then you slide it back. The charger port right there. Assume that's what the charger port is. Yeah, should be. It's got power button and the Wi-Fi button, I guess. Here it looks like. And there's no directions, which I've read, and so I'm gonna have to go online and figure out how to set it up. I'm gonna order an SD card. It needs a large SD card, and I'm not exactly sure which one I'm gonna get yet, but I'll find out, guys. So got a nice little Runcam now, my first onboard camera. I'm gonna put it on there on any airplanes. Right now I got the Blue Angel sitting right here. So it should be interesting, and I like it so far. Hopefully I can get an SD card soon so I can start flying. So anyways, that's it. It's KVRC. See you on the next one, and I'm gonna go find out how to use this thing.